So my cousin dropped this off my front porch, and well, checked it out. And we have an OG t1100 Plus, boot disc and all, in working condition. Check this out. First of all, too dirty. But given the age, roughly 1986, I also would be dirty. It comes on. So I don't remember the RAM. The RAM count. I'm saving you all the pain and suffering of the RAM count. This one's slow. Now this should be a DOS 3.2. What? And yes, I did actually test it really quickly so the date and time is right. And yes, the DOS 3.2 is Y2K compliant. Now you all know how busy I am, but and overwhelmed at the moment. But we will find out what we can figure out what to do with this little thing. At the very least, we got to give it a good cleaning and a retro bright. I'm rather pleased. My cousin did me a solid by finding me this guy. Found it at Value Village, $15. Amazing, eh? Old Toshiba t1100. Originally, in today's dollars, this would have been a $5,000 computer. It is a laptop and apparently has a battery, and I'm not sure. I'm going to have to get inside. As far as batteries can need to be removed because that battery could damage everything. I'm just thrilled. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing.